And it's funny because I tell the guys here to do like a test fit to see what really fits in this space, to give them a budget estimate so they know you're looking at about this much money and you can fit all this stuff you wanted in this space, right? And when they're creating a test fit, I'm like, listen, this isn't the end product. They're like, yeah, but it's perfect. I got everything. I'm like, yeah, but this is not what it's going to look like in the end. I did it based on what I believe your flow needs to be and how to move people through this office. But what is it that you're going to do that doesn't work with what I've done? How do we need to change this to fit your environment, your people, and how you train people? And so you've got to be willing to allow stuff to change. And that happens on buildings, elevations as well. Like, hey, we did this. And yeah, I remember when we had to change that, or the permit place. Good gosh, we're literally designing our own building right now to build a new building in Athens. And we had it exactly how we wanted it. And then the permit office comes back and says, you gotta make these changes. And I'm like,
don't they always?
Perfect. It looks perfect right now. Please let me. No, you got to make it match this other building. And I'm just like, that's what my client feels like when I have to do that to them.